Hello viewers, in this video we're going to learn how to convert percentage to fraction. For you to convert percentage to fraction, you have to write 75%. 75% is equivalent to 75 over 100 because percent means 100. Then for you to convert this into fraction, you have to look at a certain number that you can divide both numerator and denominator with the same number without changing. Then you can say 75 divided by 5 all over 100 divided by 5. Then we can easily convert this by saying 75 divided by 5. How many 5 do you have in 75? It can go 3 times. That is, we have 3 divided by how many 5 do you have in 100? Okay, 100. This 5 can go into 25 times. Sorry, it can go 25 times. Let's use 25. How many 25 here? Let's say here 25 also. 25 in 75 is 3. How many 25 do you have in 100? We have 4. Then the next thing to do, we are going to conclude it by saying this is the fraction form of 75%. Once you ask this convert fraction to percent, this one can change this, also vice versa. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. I'll give you to simplify 50% into fraction. Then comment below your answer. Bye bye.